Ingeteam is a technologically advanced company specializing in the design and power of control electronics, Indar generators, electric motors and submersible pumps, and electrical engineering. Ingeteam complements its product range with operation and maintenance services for energy generation plants. Ingeteam has a global presence, with subsidiaries in all 5 continents and production plants in Spain, the United States, Brazil, and India. In the wind power sector, Ingeteam offers solutions for wind turbines, including power converters, generators, wind turbine controllers, condition monitoring systems, lifetime extension systems, data analysis tools, SCADA smart management systems, and O&M services. Ingeteam offers low and medium voltage power converters, optimized for doubly fed power converter and full converter topologies, designed to increase reliability, boost efficiency, and reduce maintenance costs. Indar is the center of excellence for wind generators, with experience in the provision of high-performance, extremely efficient solutions. We have a highly qualified team of staff at our facilities in Spain and the USA. At Ingeteam, we are specialists in the provision of operation and maintenance services, working at all types of energy generation plants around the world, including wind farms, PV parks, hydropower plants, and biomass plants, creating optimum conditions to maximize the service life of installations. Ingeteam is a reputable global leader, noted for its quality and efficiency, as well as safety. To this end, we have developed a business model that is differentiated by its capacity to offer multi-technology services with the very latest in predictive maintenance and lifetime extension techniques for all types of energy generation installations. Thanks to our flexibility and innovation, driven by a strong R&D department at the company with in-house testing, together with our highly qualified team of staff, we easily maintain our position as sector leaders. We believe in challenges and we are well prepared for change.